I recently got a little MIG welder and I wanted to get a cart for it. So naturally I bought a cheap cart off of Amazon because the expensive ones are really expensive and I figured this would be good enough. Just wanted to show you how crappy this is though. It did not, just has like broken pieces of styrofoam for the packing around it. A couple of little things are bent on the corners, nothing too serious. Here you can see it is the Dulux 4-drawer cart. Now this cart is great for men who don't like directions because this, as far as I can tell, is the only thing that it comes with, just a parts diagram thing. So I'm pretty good about putting these things together, so I'm going to go put it together as best I can, and hopefully they gave me all the pieces. Here's the completed cart, welding cart. I've got all my stuff on it now. This is, the fit and finish on this is pretty bad. There's a big gap there, big gap here. Things aren't bent right. That corner is bent out. That one's bent in. And one modification I did have to do is one of the drawers, the end of the slide was pinched down too tight. And to keep the drawers in, they bump over a little rubber thing. I'm not going to show you that, it's a pain in the neck to see it inside. But there's a rubber thing that gets jammed into here, and that holds the drawers in, stops them from coming out. Now, these ears were bent in way too far, so it wouldn't catch, it just bent that little end piece. But as poorly made as the cart is, I do like having the drawers in here. I've got my extra tips. I've got the other drive wheels in here, all stored away. And this one, that one's empty. Then I've got small things of wire and more wire. So for 90 bucks, there's no way I could make something better. So I'm kind of happy with it. I mean, it's pretty cheaply made. But it seems to be perfectly functional, but completely built down to a price. So, yeah. I have a Lincoln Power MIG 180, and that fits really nicely on top. It's like just about the perfect size for this. Have space for the helmet there. That could be a little bit taller because you kind of got to flex the helmet to get in there a little bit. I might change up where I'm putting the helmet. So in conclusion, this cart is kind of a piece of crap, but it's a perfectly functional piece of crap. So I'm happy with my purchase so far. Like I said, everything did fit together. I had all the fasteners I needed. Everything worked, and it's going to be perfectly functional. I like the drawers in the front. The layout's not bad, but it is really poorly made. There were several different options of carts on Amazon, and they all had the same exact picture of the cart. So I picked the cheapest one. So if you buy one of the other ones, your mileage may vary for what comes in the box. Like maybe they printed out an instruction sheet that had things spelled correctly in actual instructions. But from reading the reviews of the other carts on Amazon, it seems like it's the same as this. Well, if you like this video, I hope you'd consider subscribing to my channel. I don't have very many subscribers right now, so any little bit will be a great help to the channel. So if you really like the channel and want to support me, I have a Patreon account set up. And if you don't want to do that, I hope you'd at least consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks.